Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in starting your own e-commerce business but don't have any money to invest up front? In this video, we'll be sharing some practical tips on how to dropship on Amazon without any money. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, these tips can help you get started with dropshipping on Amazon and build a successful business. Welcome to Double Z, the channel that brings you the latest in entertainment, lifestyle, and business. So, sit back, relax, and join us and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Find a reliable supplier. It offers drop shipping services. By using a drop shipping supplier, you can avoid purchasing inventory up front and have the supplier ship products directly to your customers. One popular supplier for drop shipping is AliExpress. Let's say you want to sell pet supplies, and you find a supplier on AliExpress that offers drop shipping for pet products. You can create a free account with AliExpress and begin listing their pet products on Amazon. Create a seller account. You need to create a seller account on Amazon. Creating a seller account on Amazon is a straightforward process that requires you to provide some personal information and payment details. Once you have created your account, you can begin listing your products. List the products. You need to list the products you want to sell on Amazon. Optimize your listings for keywords that people are searching for, so your products show up in search results. Let's say you have found a supplier that offers drop shipping for pet products. You can begin listing their products on Amazon by writing product descriptions and uploading images. It's important to optimize your listings for keywords that people are searching for, so your products show up in search results. Promote your listings. You can use Amazon's advertising platform or promote them on social media. You can also reach out to bloggers or influencers who have an audience interested in your products. You can promote your listings on Amazon by using Amazon's advertising platform or promoting them on social media. For example, you can create Facebook ads targeting pet owners or reach out to pet-related influencers on Instagram to promote your products. Monitor your sales. Monitor your sales and adjust your pricing and promotions accordingly. It's essential to stay competitive with other sellers and regularly check your metrics to see how your listings are performing. Once your listings are live, you can monitor your sales and adjust your pricing and promotions accordingly. For example, you can adjust your pricing to be more competitive with other sellers or create a promotion to encourage people to buy. Find a niche. It's important to find a niche that you're interested in and that has a market demand. Let's say you're interested in fitness and decide to focus on drop shipping fitness products. You can find a supplier on AliExpress who offers drop shipping for fitness products and begin listing their products on Amazon. Optimize your listings. In addition to optimizing your product listings for keywords, it's important to include high-quality images and compelling product descriptions. For example, you can hire a freelance writer to create product descriptions for your listings or take your own product photos using a smartphone and editing app. Provide excellent customer service. One way to stand out as a seller on Amazon is by providing excellent customer service. For example, you can respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues that arise quickly and professionally. Stay up to date with trends. It's important to stay up to date with industry trends and changes in consumer behavior. For example, you may notice that more people are buying home gym equipment due to the pandemic and adjust your product offerings accordingly. Build your brand. While drop shipping on Amazon, it's important to build your brand to differentiate yourself from other sellers. You can create a logo and brand colors, use custom packaging for your products, and provide a unique value proposition to your customers. Thanks for watching our video on how to dropship on Amazon without any money. We hope you found these tips helpful and can apply them to your own business. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.